Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I will quickly review my weekly analysis, weekly which are the stocks are giving my intraday stocks scanner. So in this video I will show you the backtested results of the scanner, which stock it is giving the alert like that. So this is a completely weekly review. It is a bullish scanner. So for scanner I will use charting platform. Let's give the brief introduction about the charting platform. So charting is a web-based scanner. So according to our parameter, our input, our conditions, and our filters, we have to input. It will give you output like that. It will pick up the stocks. So for that purpose, I will use charting platform according to our parameter, conditions, and filters. So in this video we can backtest. I will show you how to backtest it. This also. So this is the last 1 week backtested results. So this is our last 1 week backtested results. So I will download this file here. It's downloading now. With the stock name, time, it will show. See, so I will take the screenshot first, and we will see 13th date, whatever 13th, 14th, and 18th and 19th we will see. So in the 13th date, it is 225. It is giving NTPC. Okay. So usually I will select before 12 o'clock, but you can check. You can cross check the results. How my scanner is giving the alerts. You can cross check anything. Okay. I will kept open this source for free. Again, take this screenshot. This screenshot. This screenshot also you can take. So in the last 1 week it is showing very good results. So let's look at Aarti Industries 14th, and you can cross check 13th whichever giving, because it is after 12, so that's why I will not, but I will see that also. So okay, 13 10 225 NTPC. Okay, first we will check NTPC. 13th date NTPC. 13th date. Let's go to the 13th date. Yeah, this is the 13th date and 225. See, this is the 225 candle, and after that massive rally in the NTPC. So this is the power of the scanner. So next we'll go to the gallery. So this is a selected NTPC because I taken the screenshot. So next look at the 14 date number 6 series 920. It is giving Aarti Industries. Okay, we will go to Aarti Industries in the chart. Aarti Drugs and Aarti Industries 14th 920, I think. 14th date. This is 13 and yeah, see, this is the 14th 925 candle. So 920 candle. See, after this candle low, stop loss is not hitted. See the rally in this one candle, and this candle low is stop loss is not hitted. That is very 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 much important. See, this is the 920 candle closing candle 1114. It went up to 1126. So this kind of the rally in intraday. That is 14th. So next 14th 930 KSB. 930 KSB. KSB 930. So we'll see 930 KSB. See, this is a 930 candle. See, you have to enter here. See, made high in a quick move, and this candle low stop loss is not hitted. So that is the most very very important. See, the 930 candle stop loss is not hitted. Even that after very very small SL, it going very upside rally. Okay, you can select any date. anytime whatever the star is given, and cross check in your chart. So if it is useful, you can ping me by WhatsApp. I will give you my WhatsApp number in the description, and you can message me and you can take my course, and I will give you the scanner. uh, and what is the idea behind this, what is the principle, I will give you all the parameter and I will give you all the condition. By taking this also you can, by taking this you can create your own algo also. So those who are aware of the algo, by taking my parameter you can create your own algo, office going peoples. Definitely it will help. So this is the scanner. So take this screenshot, and you can take this screenshot also, both. For example, last 225 it is giving 44, last stock rights it is giving the rights to 25. So we will see that also, and it is giving ATGL and rights both. We will see the rights and ATGL. So this is the right 225, see the rally 225. Yeah, this is the 225. This candle, the small candle low was not hit it and went up. So this is the power of this scanner. And ATGL, see, this is the 225 candle, and after that massive rally in ATGL. So like this it will work. So if anybody interested, I will share my parameters and everything. I will share about this strategy, along with I will share you swing trading scanner, and Nifty and Bank Nifty scanner also I will share with you. So if anybody interested, I will give you my WhatsApp number in the description. You can contact me and you can take my course. Thank you.